Hey everybody. So today we're going to be posting two videos. This one's going to be on severe weather, and later, probably in about 10 minutes after this one gets posted, I will be posting the tropical storm Alvin in the Pacific Ocean. I'll be posting. I'm just going to be looking at the National Hurricane Center forecast but yeah, so let's go going with this video. But you see, today we have two enhanced risks. We have one in Minnesota and Wisconsin and parts of northeastern Iowa. This one was just put here about an hour ago now. And we have an enhanced risk with most severe weather will likely be here in Montana today. So Montana will probably have the biggest severe threat. I mean, I can't even talk ever. But we also have two slight risks, which is pretty obvious. But one through Montana to North Dakota, and then we have one in Minnesota all the way through Wisconsin, Iowa, and to Illinois. But we also have a chance for maybe some severe weather in the south by Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and Tennessee. We have a marginal risk. And then Texas, New Mexico, parts of southwestern Kansas and southeastern Colorado also has a chance for severe weather, which is a marginal threat. Then we have another marginal risk, which kind of goes between where the jet stream is up here and pretty much the northern plains and all the way over to Idaho. We have a marginal risk starting here in northeastern Oregon, going all the way to Michigan. So we have that marginal risk connecting these two higher risks right here. But today, let's look at their forecast. You see, we have a 5% chance for tornadoes out in Montana and a 2% going all the way to North Dakota. And then we have a 2% where our enhanced risk is in Wisconsin, parts of Illinois, Iowa, and Minnesota. We have a 2% risk in there over there. Then we have a very strong wind threat today. We have a 30% chance for damaging winds in Montana, and a 15% surrounding that all the way over to North Dakota and Montana. And then we have another 30% for damaging winds in Iowa, Wisconsin, and Minnesota. Minneapolis and St. Paul, you have a 30% chance, and you have an enhanced risk today. So that would be pretty good. But let's check out the wind and hail. Let's check out the hail threat. You see, we have a 30% chance of a hail threat with a hatched risk in there for the hail of 2 inches, or a 10% or greater probability of 2-inch hail, diameter hail or larger if in 25 miles of a point. We have that hatched risk right there. Then we also have a 15% area going to parts of northwestern North Dakota. And then we have this large 5% risk going all the way over to Michigan, where our marginal risk is up there in the north. But now we're going to briefly look into tomorrow and day 3 outlooks. Or tomorrow we have just an area of slight. This could get upgraded to maybe an area of enhanced right there. But we have a slight area in Montana to North Dakota. Marginal risk surrounding that in Montana and North Dakota. And then we have another marginal risk where our area, which has the enhanced risk out here today, which our area is going to put a marginal risk in Iowa, parts of northern Missouri, all the way to Michigan. Has a lot of Michigan, pretty much all of Michigan has a marginal risk today or tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, but also, I may be doing a live stream today if a moderate risk is issued, which is not looking likely, but it's maybe possible. Or I'll be doing I will be doing a live stream at if when the new thing, or if when the new outlook comes in, there's a 10% chance for tornadoes. I will be doing if there's a 10% chance of tornadoes within like I choose a 10% chance of tornadoes out here within 25 miles. But other than that, I'm not doing a live stream today. I am very busy today. I have a lot of stuff I have to do. But I'm going to briefly look into the day 3 outlook. If this would load. All right. There. So yes, for day 3, we have another slight risk in North Dakota and Minnesota. So this is a multi-day severe weather threat, and we have a marginal risk going from Montana down through Minnesota, Wisconsin, some parts of northeastern South Dakota, and then we also have another marginal risk that has parts of north and central Delaware, north and central Maryland, northern Virginia, northern West Virginia, parts of eastern Ohio, most of Pennsylvania, southern and central New York, southern Vermont, southern New Hampshire, and all of Massachusetts, Connecticut, and Rhode Island, and New Jersey. You have a marginal risk for tomorrow. But now we're going to time out the severe weather threat for today. If we to play this out, you can see I'm going to loop it. No, I don't need to loop it. Stop. All right, so where I'm going to stop at. But yeah, so right now you can see we have a strong line going through Minnesota. This will likely weaken a little bit before it hits Minneapolis. So Minneapolis, a severe thunderstorm warning is not likely with this line. It will likely dissipate. Maybe there could be some stronger cellular storms in the southern parts. Like you see some maybe even up there that could be severe warned. But it's looking like what's going to happen later out in Minnesota that's going to be the concerning threat. You can see this is 22Z, so this is 5 p.m. out in this area. Yeah, we can see these storms starting to fire up, even parts of Iowa, maybe parts of northern Minnesota. Then if we go later, this is 6, 7, in Minneapolis and St. Paul. You can see these storms starting to come. And some of these could be particularly strong out here. You can even see some in Wisconsin that are going to be strong. Then as we go throughout the evening, this will look like a little line. This will turn like a linear threat, and this will be a line coming through with a lot of heavy rain and possibly some flash flood warnings. This is moving pretty slow, actually. Well, not that slow, but it's moving relatively slow. But I'm gonna try to. I'm gonna see if I'm sorry I'm doing this, but I'm gonna see if we can get Montana in. Yeah, so you can see today we'll have these storms kind of erupt in the afternoon already in parts of eastern Montana. Then those will move to the north, but then we got to search back to the other ones. So I'm just stupid. Okay, here's our other sector A. You can see the storms come in. This is at 1Z is 8 p.m. So, or actually Mountain Time. This would be 7. But you can see these storms come all the way up into Canada, some regions of Canada. Same time we have these storms over here in the Minnesota and Wisconsin area. But we'll have these go through eastern Iowa. They'll likely be moving that direction. But these will weaken as we go throughout the night. You see this is at 60. You can see there's not much strong storms, only up to like 50 dBZs in some areas. But some of these in the south side could be warned, and some of these in Canada may be particularly strong. You see, this is a Boeing segment right there with dBZs of, 58. So there could be still some particularly strong portions of the line right there. But then these storms in the Minnesota and Iowa area are going to continue to go throughout the night. These will continue to go. This is at 60. This is at 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time. 2 a.m. You can still see these have this is at I don't even know what time this is. This is at 4 a.m., so the sun's about to rise. Now, you still have some parts have 60 dBZs in them, so these storms are going to be long-lived after night. But that is going to wrap up this video. I hope you will leave us, I hope you will leave a like on it if you watched it. That would really help me out so I can get better equipment maybe for Christmas. Or you could subscribe. And please subscribe. That'll help me out also. But I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I will be posting my tropical storm forecast soon.